How to whiten your teeth. Baking soda. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and can help remove surface stains. You can mix it with water or toothpaste and brush your teeth with it 2 to 3 times a week. Hydrogen peroxide. This natural bleaching agent can whiten teeth over time. You can dilute it with water and use it as a mouthwash or mix it with baking soda to create a paste. Oil pulling. Swishing coconut or sesame oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes may help remove plaque and bacteria, which can make your teeth appear whiter. Apple cider vinegar. This can help remove stains, but it's acidic, so use it sparingly and rinse your mouth thoroughly afterward to avoid enamel erosion. Whitening toothpaste. These contain mild abrasives or small amounts of bleaching agents like hydrogen peroxide. Whitening strips. These strips contain peroxide and are applied directly to the teeth. They can take a few days to weeks to show noticeable results. Whitening gels. Brush-on or tray-based gels can also be effective. They are typically more concentrated than strips. In-office bleaching. Dentists use stronger peroxide solutions and sometimes light-activated systems to whiten teeth in one visit. Custom whitening trays. A dentist can make custom-fit trays for your teeth and provide stronger bleaching agents for at-home use. Avoid foods and drinks that stain teeth, like coffee, red wine, tea, and berries. Drink plenty of water, especially after consuming acidic or staining foods. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples and celery can help clean your teeth naturally. Don't overuse whitening products as they can damage tooth enamel. Regular dental checkups are essential for maintaining oral health while using whitening treatments. Use a fluoride toothpaste to strengthen enamel if you notice sensitivity.